Want your room alive at minute 25? Stop thinking slides, think seconds. Many of us talk for 8 to 10 minutes, then ask, any questions? Today we'll do the opposite. We'll work the clock. Use them all together or grab one for your next session. Here's the plan. 2-minute shuffle, 60-second chat, 8-second pause, 45-second recap. First, the 2-minute shuffle. Every 2 minutes, change the mode. Teach for a bit, then chat, then do a tiny demo, a 1-question poll, then a short story. Small switches wake the room without breaking your message. Picture this, lunch hour webinar, cameras off, chat empty by minute 10. The presenter posts the cadence in chat and starts a 2-minute timer. Voice, then chat, then demo, then poll. By minute 14, chat wakes up and 2 people unmute. The takeaway? Switch the mode, not the message. Switching helps, but how do we pull more voices right now? Next up, the 60-second chat spark. The 60-second chat spark is a timed burst with one clear rule. People post when the ask is simple and the clock is tight. Say this verbatim. In 60 seconds, type one verb you'll use to open your next session. One word, no repeats, go. Start the countdown. At 0, read 5 words out loud, group them fast. I'm seeing invite, start, prime. These pull people in. Let's go with that. So let's look at a real-world snapshot. A new facilitator tried this with 70 staff. Chat was dead. Leaders were watching. She fired the 60-second spark. Words poured in. Invite, nudge, prime. 48 posts in 1 minute. The room warmed up. The lesson? Give people rails and a clock. All right, we've got more posts, but how do we lift quality? The answer is the 8-second magnet pause. Ask a strong question, then stay silent for 8 full seconds. Silence pulls attention in. Wait time raises the number and depth of answers. You run it like this. What would you cut to save 2 minutes without hurting learning? I'll pause for 8 seconds so you can think. Silent beat, count 1, 2, 3, etc. to 8. Now we have voices. How do we lock it in before we switch topics? Run the 45-second recap relay. Before the next segment, run a tiny recall drill. Say, in 45 seconds, post 7 words. What will you do differently? Start the timer. At 0, read 3 posts. Use this recap after any segment or run it alone. Together or solo, it sparks action in the very next session. Quick recap. Small time moves beat long talk. Shuffle every 2 minutes. Spark the chat for 60 seconds. Hold an 8-second pause. Lock it in with a 45-second recap. Here's your next step. In your next session, set a visible timer and run one of these, or stack all 4. 2-minute shuffle, 60-second chat, 8-second pause, 45-second recap. After you try it, comment with your date and 1 result. When you run the clock, attention follows you.